Good morning. Here is the Sanibel Island in Southwest Florida update as of March 30th, 2023. At Sanibel Island's last City Council meeting, it was mentioned that the 4th of July parade would not be held this year. The committee in charge of the 4th of July parade decided it would not be appropriate to have the parade. They think it would be too soon since the hurricane. Personally, I think they should still hold the parade to show Sanibel's resiliency, but that's just my opinion. The City Council is in charge of the fireworks, and they voted to cancel the fireworks show this year. The best place to view Sanibel's fireworks has been the Causeway, and with the Causeway currently a work zone, the Council deemed that to be a good reason to vote no to the fireworks. That saves the City Council $20,000. Plus, one of the board members said since there are no vacation rentals available on the island, there would be no tourists to see the fireworks, and that no locals want to see the fireworks, then he thinks there should be no fireworks too. So yes, they all voted no fireworks. But I was a little shocked when that City Council member said there are no vacation rentals available. He is completely out of touch. Not every single house was destroyed by Hurricane Ian, and yes, there are vacation rental houses being rented right now. Maybe everyone is renting on the down low, but yes, there are tourists renting on the island every day, walking the beach every day. Maybe not tons of people, but enough that it should be noticeable by a local City Council member. Speaking of out of touch, one of the Planning Committee members at the March 28th meeting asked the Sanibel's mayor about the Causeway repairs and what is happening with that, because the committee member says residents ask him all the time about the construction and he wants to know how to answer them. The mayor was like, "I don't know the status of the Causeway. I haven't been informed." Oh my goodness. I was a little flabbergasted when he said that. I'm trying not to be critical here, but apparently the new mayor, Richard Johnson, wasn't aware of how much information can be found on the internet. Florida DOT has been very transparent with the bridge rebuild and has tons of information on their website at SWFLroads.com. For everyone who missed the 5 different presentations that Katie Sherrard has put together since the project began, I will have a link down below. Back to the 4th of July celebration. So yeah, no parade, no fireworks, but a couple council members mentioned that the rec center or the local church will throw together a small celebration for locals. I got the impression that the City Council feels like there will be no tourists coming to visit the island on the 4th of July. Just my opinion, but tourists will be visiting Sanibel 4th of July, whether they have a parade or not, whether they have fireworks or not. Thanks for listening.